Chapter 5 Major Domains of the Earth.
Life exists on Earth because of land, water, and air present here. These three form the major components of the environment and are called the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. A combination of these three components creates ideal condition for nurturing all forms of life, and this zone is called as the biosphere. Lithosphere. The upper surface of the earth, which is made up of rocks and soil, is called the lithosphere. Its top layer is known as the crust. The lithosphere is uneven, the highest point being the Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters high, and the deepest being the Mariana Trench, which is 11,022 meters below sea level. While the land surface is called continents, the vast area of water surrounding the continents is called oceans. Continents. Large continuous land masses are called continents. There are 7 major continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia. This is the largest continent, covering almost 1/3 of the total landmass, and lies in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. It is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, Caspian Sea, and the Black Sea. Europe. Located in the northern hemisphere, this continent lies to the west of Asia. It extends in both eastern and western hemisphere and is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides. The Arctic Ocean is in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and Mediterranean Sea in the south. Africa. This is the second largest continent, and it lies both in the northern and southern hemisphere. The equator, Tropic of Cancer, as well as the Tropic of Capricorn all pass through this continent. Africa is bound by oceans and seas on all sides, yet it has the world's largest hot desert, the Sahara Desert. River Nile, which is the world's longest river, also flows through this continent. North America. It is the third largest continent. It lies entirely in the northern and western hemisphere. It is linked to South America by the narrow Isthmus of Panama. It is surrounded by 3 water bodies, the Arctic Ocean in north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. South America. As the name suggests, it lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. This too is surrounded by oceans on all sides except for the isthmus which connects it to North America. The Andes Mountains, which is the world's longest mountain range, runs through its length from north to south. Australia. Known as an island continent, this is a country as well. It lies in the southern and eastern hemispheres. It is the smallest continent. It has derived its name from a Latin term, austral, which means south. It is a part of Oceania, includes Australia, New Zealand, Melanesia, Micronesia, and Polynesia. Antarctica. It is in the southern hemisphere and has the South Pole at its center. It is a very big landmass which is permanently frozen and has no permanent settlement. Hydrosphere. The domain of water that covers almost 71% of the Earth's surface is called hydrosphere. This includes oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice sheets, underground water, and water vapor. While oceans and seas have salt water, lakes and rivers have fresh water. 97% of the Earth's water reserves are found in the oceans. As most of the southern hemisphere is covered by oceans and seas, it is often called as the water hemisphere. Oceans. There are 5 oceans, and all these are interlinked. The level of water is the same in all oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. This is the largest ocean which extends over 1/3 of the globe. Mariana Trench, the deepest point of the earth, lies under this ocean. It is circular in shape, with North and South America lying on one side and Asia and Australia lying on the other side. In the north, it is linked with the Arctic Ocean, while in the south, it merges with the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. This is the second largest ocean and is S-shaped. It is surrounded by the two Americas on the western side and Europe and Africa on eastern side. The coastline of the Atlantic Ocean is very long and irregular, providing ideal location for natural ports and harbors. It is the busiest ocean. The Indian Ocean, the only ocean to be named after a country. This ocean is triangular in shape. India is located at the head of this ocean, with Africa lying to the west and Australia to the east. The Arctic Ocean. Located within the Arctic Circle and surrounding the North Pole, this ocean lies to the north of North America, Europe, and Asia. It remains covered with the thick sheets of ice throughout the year. The Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean merge at a place collectively called as Antarctic Ocean. The ocean is also known as Southern Ocean. It surrounds the landmass of Antarctica. Seas. Apart from oceans, there are smaller water bodies which may be partially enclosed by land. These saltwater masses are known as seas. The Arabian Sea, North Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, and Caspian Sea are some important examples. Atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air that is an essential part of our life. This is like a thin layer of blanket which protects the Earth from extreme temperatures and also provides the air we breathe. It extends for about 1600 km above the Earth's surface and contains gases which are essential for life. There are different layers of atmosphere. Layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature, and other properties. Starting from the Earth's surface, these layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The thickness of each layer differs. All human activities and weather changes take place in the lowest layer, that is, the troposphere. Biosphere. The biosphere is the narrow zone of the contact where lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere come in contact with each other. The word bio means life. It is in this sphere that all life exists. From a bacteria to huge whales, all living organisms exist in this biosphere, which provides a suitable habitat for all.